welcome back to the wonderful world of TearDown, where at the moment I'm sitting next to this cozy campfire and relaxing. Psych! You think you can sleep while watching my videos? Wake up to these loud but beautiful explosions. While exploding my way through the rock-filled tunnel, I came across a pickaxe and this skeleton. And also, I found this old oil lamp that, honestly, I thought if you grabbed it, it would turn into a genie. Now onto the mission, Preemptive Prohibition, where I have to demolish this saloon. Knowing that this is made out of timber, my blow lamp came in handy and I set the whole thing on fire. After entering the saloon, I noticed my mischief, play some piano, scull some liquor, and read the menu to notice that the whole place is full of smoke and I need to evacuate by going upstairs. After going upstairs, I read the news and realize that fire is coming through the floorboards. So I evacuate through the door and realize that there's some explosive barrels in my way and I don't want to die, so I just go back inside the house. To stay safe, I go inside this room where I find an old guitar and hear a loud explosion and realize I better get the hell out of here. Now here's a nice time lapse of the saloon getting burnt to the ground. Now I have to make some final touches with my hammer and my shotgun to finish the job. And there we go, the job is completed. And just for fun, I threw some dynamite in there as well. Now back at home, I pick up my brand new dual revolvers and test it out on my escape vehicle, and it works very, very, very well. Alright. I've got to go take a shit. Alright. There we go. Alright, see ya.